Welcome to Daily Vietnamese. Today we'll learn the top 10 travel phrases in Vietnamese easy and fast. Hello. Vietnamese Xin Chào. Where is the hotel? Vietnamese Kak San O Do? What is this? Vietnamese Kai Ne Lagi? Please give me the bill. Vietnamese Lam On Cho Toi Hoa Don. How much is it? Vietnamese Bao Nhiêu Tien? Please help me. Vietnamese Lam On Ju Toi. Where is the airport? Vietnamese San Bay O Do? Thank you. Vietnamese Cam On. Now let's practice together. I'll say it in English, you say it in Vietnamese. Ready? Let's go. Hello. Xin Chào. Hotel. Kak San O Do? Taxi. Toi Ko the Bat Taxi O Do? Bathroom. Na Ve Sin O Do? What is this? Kai Ne Lagi? Bill. Lam On Cho Toi Hoa Don. How much? Bao Nhiêu Tien? Help. Lam On Ju Toi. Airport. San Bay O Do? Thank you. Cam On. Great job. Let's use them in some real situations. Imagine you arrive at a hotel. You can ask, where is the hotel? Kak San O Do? Or you are in a restaurant and want the bill. You can say, please give me the bill. Lam On Cho Toi Hoa Don. If you are lost on the street, you might say, please help me. Lam On Ju Toi. When you are at the airport, ask, where is the airport? San Bay O Do? Now, let's review all 10 phrases quickly. I'll say the English, you say the Vietnamese. Hello. Xin Chào. Hotel. Kak San O Do? Taxi. Toi Ko the Bat Taxi O Do? Bathroom. Na Ve Sin O Do? What is this? Kai Ne Lagi? Bill. Lam On Cho Toi Hoa Don. How much? Bao Nhiêu Tien? Help. Lam On Ju Toi. Airport. San Bay O Do? Thank you. Cam On. Excellent. You just learned 10 must-know Vietnamese travel phrases. Practice them every day and you'll speak confidently on your trip. Don't forget to subscribe for more daily lessons.